or nodejs. Okay, that means in your system node is not installed. Now I want to install nodejs. Okay, observing very clearly how to download nodejs runtime environment. Simply go to Google, nodejs download, nodejs download, download nodejs option we are selected. Okay, observing very clearly Windows using Docker or with npm. Okay, simply we can select this option, Windows installer. Okay, it is downloaded. Once it is downloaded, okay, go to downloads, go to downloads. Now simply double click on this file, double click on this downloaded file. Okay, simply next, accept the license agreement and click on the next, click on next. Where we want to install, that location we are selected. By default it will take C drive, program files, node.js option. Okay, if you interest, we are using this location. Otherwise, go to change option. We can change this installation location. Click on the next. Okay, next one, click on the next. Automatically install the necessary tools. Okay, that is will also install. The script will pop off window after the installation complete. If you interest, we are enable this one. Otherwise, directly click on the next and click on the install. At the time of installation, user access control message we are getting. Simply click on the yes. Okay, now observing very clearly, click on the finish. Click on the finish. Okay, after install Node.js, I want to verify in my system Node.js successfully installed or not. Simply open the command prompt. If you are using Windows, open the command prompt. Okay, now go to find the version node hyphen capital V. Okay, or node hyphen version hyphen version command we are using, or node hyphen v. Okay, in my system node is installed successfully. Node is installed